In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Printify to Etsy. Now, in order to connect Printify to Etsy, we will have to have an account for both of these websites. So for Etsy, you want to make sure you have a seller's account. And to check that, you can go into the top right corner and go to the shop manager. And once you have completed the Etsy seller onboarding process, your shop should look something like this. So now that that's set up, we can go over to Printify. And from there, we need to log into our Printify account. Or if we haven't yet got one, we can actually create one for free. I'll include a link at the top of the description, which will take you to Printify's sign up page if you do need to create an account. And when you've signed up or logged into your Printify account, it will look something like this. And you should be able to see this store setup checklist on the homepage. And as you can see, the third option down is actually connect to Etsy, Shopify, etc. So we're going to click this option here. And now we can actually choose which store we want to connect to. And since we are trying to connect to Etsy, we're going to go down to Etsy, and we just simply have to click this button here that says connect to Etsy. We'll then see this pop-up appear. We'll be able to see our email at the top of this page, so we can use that to make sure we are logged into the right Etsy account. And when we're happy, we can go down and click grant access. And now that you've done that, we've now connected our Etsy store to Printify. So now that we've linked our store, we can start publishing our products on Etsy, and then we can manage all of the orders inside of Printify. So this has been my video showing you how to connect Printify to Etsy. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.